Hey friends, we're back. I just want to give you an update on the Cooler Master QL300 case. Just did a video on it, and I want to just give an update and let you guys know that this one is, I don't really recommend it for family friendly now. Let's see if you can see, if I can focus in. I actually sliced my thumb open with it while I was moving it and carrying it. I had shared before how each of these magnetic things come, the meshes come off here up top. There's actually one underneath, and I'm not going to do it, but as I was picking it up, they're metal, and it sliced my finger open. So if you want to watch my other video, you can watch it and get an idea of what I thought was really the good pros and cons of this. I still like it as a kind of compact case with good airflow design, but that is concerning, especially since I've given it to my grandkids. I mean, that almost seems like that's a class action lawsuit waiting to happen for someone selling something that could injure somebody. All right, I mean, I don't know if it's just me. If anybody else has any experience in that, let me know. But just want to let you guys know I will be leaving a review for that on Amazon. And if you're on Amazon watching this right now and you want to see more about it, go to Gramps' product reviews on YouTube, and you'll be able to see my original video. All right, thank you. Bye.